I know.
You look what I got in the mail today. I got fucking Nutrigrain bars. This motherfucker. He gets wheels.
Smell fresh headers.
This just made the most power first pull that I think we've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
What, make over 6 first pull?
Way over 6.
Really?
Yeah.
You just flash it and that's it?
Yep.
Holy shit.
It made 631 and 546.
Nah.
Yeah. Go look.
I was like, I heard the pull and you're like...
It's legit pull number 0, so you know it's the first fucking pull.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
So obviously it's our heads cam package.
Our heads cam package, 2-inch American Racing headers.
Mamo MSD.
I don't know if it's a Mamo or not.
It's shaved, so I'm
Probably a Mamo, yeah. 102 throttle body, variant. Basically our normal package.
Stage 3 plus.
Yeah,
Like
and a clutch, RXT clutch.
Nice. Wow. I'll go check it. Run 0. Damn, the torque too. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it is.
I'm sure you're happy because you're like, hey, I got less work to do.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how much it's going to pick. I mean, it did look pretty good. Air fuel is like just about dead on, but we'll see.
Damn. Your little flashy base flash is just that on point.
I mean, we've done 6,000 setups, so it's pretty.
When I say 6,000,
pretty good.
Like, no, we did a couple hundred. And then when you say 6,000, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's.
Yeah.
Just saying.
2,000.
That's okay. All right, next. No, I'm just kidding. I need some pulls for the actual video. Plus, you still got to chop up the idle a little bit.
Yeah, I literally just did that.
So this car came in because the owner wanted to do our heads cam package, and a couple weeks before his appointment, he, I guess, dropped a valve, or thinks he dropped a valve, so we're going to start taking it apart.
It's a little early for you, isn't it?
Yeah. I wanted to see the carnage on this thing.
There's not much to see yet.
I know, but...
See the valve inside the
the valve spring broke too.
Yeah, see the valve right here.
Oh, you can see it through the
You
port?
can see it.
Let's check it out. You got a flashlight? Oh. Zoom in on there. Damn.
Stock springs.
Definitely one broke.
Yeah, no, it definitely broke. See?
I know.
It's always in there because it has trunnion upgrade already, so.
Oh, Rocky, okay. Yeah, the head's definitely been off. He said he didn't know.
It's good. Little ash caps there, see?
Yeah, don't knock them somewhere. I gotta keep them.
I'm not. I'm just peeking.
Okay.
So, because that's an intake valve. Typically, the problem's with the exhaust valves.
Right.
So
I don't know. I mean, it broke. It looked like it broke a valve spring rather than broke a valve.
right.
So
They broke the valve spring, and then the keeper, all that came loose.
kind of like just fell off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice.
So I guess it just pushed it perfectly back up through the head.
Yeah, through the head.
So maybe it didn't pick up the piston.
Maybe.
That's all right.
If it hit up on the first time.
We're gonna.
If it was smashing it pretty good.
We're gonna fingers crossed here.
Man, what are the chances though?
Yeah.
Even friends, like I've never seen a valve drop and not pick up something.
Maybe this will be the first time.
Valve too.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so that head's definitely been off.
Yeah, the heads have been. The heads have 100% been done.
got
It's got
ARP
ARP bolts in it. Yeah.
Yup. Been there. Done that.
Ain't gonna do it again.
I didn't even over rev. Typically, it'll happen if you over rev.
Dinner's done.
Yeah. That's stupid. Tyler's making corny jokes. Here we go.
It's early.
It is early. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Will you finish up that? Get the heads off. I'm gonna go drink coffee and I'll
get
be
a
back.
head off. I'm gonna take one head off.
Yeah, that's true. Take this one off. Don't take.
No, duh, Steve. Thanks for the obvious.
Well, you said a head, so I'm like, hey, why don't you take this one off?
Now, I'm gonna take this one off that has nothing wrong with it, so that way we can not see a difference if we need to do something.
I'm just making sure, Tyler.
I'm not. My name's not Steve.
Whatever.
Go drink your coffee.
All right, I'll do that.
20 minutes later.
All right, so what's the verdict? Oh God. Oh Jesus.
I think it speaks for itself, Steve.
Damn. How's the cylinder wall? Can't really tell.
It's got a couple dimples in it.
Flashing.
Right there. Kind of feel them in there. And see them.
Oh yeah. Definitely that meme where it's like when you drop a valve. Did you ever see that thing? And it's like a smiley face out of the piston. I'll put it up on the screen. It's hilarious.
That's a little bit more than a smiley face.
No, yeah, the smiley face one was like destroyed. Yeah.
It's definitely not straight. Not over here, I mean. It's laying over here for that side.
So just taking the other head off, I guess we're gonna send it out, or?
Yeah, send the heads out. And then see what they want to do about blocks and then out.
Damn. So obviously the goal on this one's conservative.
Keep taking power, timing out of it, and just revving it higher, and it keeps making more power. That's 12 degrees of timing.
It's not a lot.
Just made 840.
Oh
5.6 pounds.
Damn.
Yeah. I need to keep pulling that out.
Is he on the E2 or no?
No, it's pump.
Pump gas, yeah.
The last thing it needs to be
Oh, I know.
trying to forge a piston in it. But not on stock piston.
No. So what's your goal, to make it like just under 8? Yeah.
Yeah, that's more than enough for him for now. He'll be more than happy.
Oh, these are your new wheels?
They are.
Oh, man. Is that a thumbnail? I'm not making that a thumbnail.
Why not?
We're not, no. Come on, Mom.
Seriously.
I know.
You look what I got in the mail today. I got fucking Nutrigrain bars. This motherfucker. I think it gets wheels.
Yeah.
You can buy wheels.
Let me,
Silver on
Dude, those are gonna look good.
Oh, they came nice. Never seen them ship 2 wheels in one box.
no.
Yeah, that's actually a good point. It's a good box.
See if we should do that.
Good.
Dang. Gray.
Yeah.
That looks good. That'll look good with the blue brakes. You're planning on changing them, aren't you?
I don't know. I guess we'll see. Yeah, I didn't tell anyone the color.
Hey, look at that. 14 and SS up headers there. Who knew they're for? Yeah, not me.
Yeah, I was gonna say your twin.
You know?
Are we baselining that too? Okay. Tyler, turn that down. You're gonna get me demonetized. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, they look sick.
Yeah, they do.
Real sick.
Nice.
Yeah. I guess these are both of the rears.
What's your specs, bro? What's your specs, bro? Only maybe if your car was clean, I'd take photos of it.
It is
It's
really dirty
filthy.
right now.
It's disgusting.
It is really dirty right
I
now.
don't want to be around it. So
It's alright, don't be around it.
I won't. Nice.
Sick. Stick your finger in there.
That would have been good timing too. I guess they look alright.
Don't hate.
You should put them on my car.
They'd be worth more than your whole car.
Dude, it's so
Just saying.
it's what the Volkswagen guys do anyway, so.
I know. But like CCWs on like 1983 Volkswagens.
Yep. They look pretty good. They're very simple.
You're simple.
You're a
Tyler.
fucking simp.
Beat everybody to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the split second.
It's because he already said it.
I already said it.
Steve's just reenacting.
I'm saying it to Fran now. I want to piss him off. You know what's funny is earlier he was like,
too, eh?
I said something to him. I was like, "Oh, they're not bad." And he goes, "Don't hate," and then he makes fun of my car,
Well, yeah.
which is
That's not hating. It's
That's
just
hating.
a realist.
Don't hate, but
Realist.
but you hate. Biggest hater ever.
There's no crying in baseball.
No crying.
I definitely need black lug nuts.
Yeah,
Probably should have thought about that before I got my wheels on.
you probably should have.
I'll order them. They'll be here.
Uh oh, here comes Mr. Fancy Shoes.
Mr. Fancy Shoes? He's just got
Not even
normal
wearing
shoes.
fancy shoes.
These are fancy.
You're not fancy. What's up, buddy? How are you?
Hey, buddy. How are you? Good. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Oh, look at these. These are fancy.
What's up, man? How are you? Good.
Huh?
See ya.
Yeah. I had to put the new tires on the 20s the other day. Yesterday or something. Didn't we do that yesterday?
Oh, yeah, because your other ones were toast.
Torque 'em. Man, all washed up and everything. Phew.
I just want to make sure that, well, it should be clearance on the upper control arm, but I want to make sure there is. Because they were closed before.
Were they?
When they were hanging in the air, they were closed.
Take some professional,
iPhone photos.
yeah.
You should like really get a guy.
You know, I thought about that for a long time.